In a new twist to the ongoing Adani case, US-based short seller Hindenburg Research has made serious allegations against SEBI chairperson Madhavi Puri Buch and her husband Dhaval Buch. Hindenburg's latest report alleges that they had stakes in obscure offshore funds linked to the Adani Group's alleged money siphoning activities. The report details their investments in a complex offshore fund structure and suggests connections to the Wirecard scandal. Additionally, it claims that Dhaval Buch took sole control of their joint investments shortly before Madhavi Buch's appointment as SEBI chairperson in 2022, potentially to avoid scrutiny.
कि सेबी ग्रुप की जो चेयरमैन है माधवी बुच, उन्होंने और उनके पति ने मिलके अडानी ग्रुप के किसी फंड में ओवरसीज उसमें इन्वेस्ट किया है, उसमें उनका पैसा लगा हुआ है, इनडायरेक्ट तौर से लगा हुआ है। और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि सेबी ग्रुप से सेबी की चेयरमैन बनने के बाद वो अडानी से मिली थी। अब मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी एलिगेशन लगाने से पहले और जब दो पार्टीज के बीच में इस तरीके की बातचीत चल रही हो तो दोनों ही तरीके से हम कोई सब्सटेंस नहीं मान सकते हैं उसमें।
This latest controversy comes 18 months after Hindenburg's initial report in January 2023 that accused the Adani Group of stock manipulation and accounting fraud, a claim that the conglomerate denied. Critics say the SEBI investigation into the allegations lacked thoroughness. The matter has snowballed into a major political controversy in the country, with opposition parties questioning the integrity of SEBI.
Over the last few years, larger and larger numbers of people have been investing in India's stock market. They invest their hard-earned, honestly earned savings in the stock market. And it is my duty as leader of the opposition to bring to your notice that there is a significant risk in the Indian stock market because the institution that governs the stock market is compromised.
SEBI chairperson Madhavi Puri Buch and her husband, in a joint statement on Sunday, denied the allegations made in the Hindenburg report, calling them a sad case of character assassination. The Adani Group has also rejected any link to the claims made in the report.
Hindenburg as an entity has no credibility at all. We have seen their first attack more than a year ago. The idea is to create a sensation, create instability in the stock market, create a volatile situation, and then try and make a profit out of that by short selling, etc. And that is their avowed object.
The Supreme Court had earlier dismissed calls for a CBI or court-monitored probe into the allegations made against the Adani Group in January 2023, expressing confidence in SEBI's investigation. However, the new report has reignited the debate over the regulator's independence and effectiveness.